Hello everyone, this is the first part of the video tutorial how to knit a sweater. In this video, I'll show you how to work first 9 rows and 5 rounds of the pattern. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/Raglan sleeve sweater knitting pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin knitting from the top to bottom, cast on 36 stitches. First row. Slip the very first stitch and then work the corner. Slip one stitch for the first corner, yarn over, knit 2 and yarn over, then knit 2, work the second corner as the first one, yarn over, knit 2 and yarn over. Then knit 22. Knit to your last 7 stitches, then work the third corner, knit 2, fourth corner and knit 1. Second row. Slip the very first stitch and then purl all stitches to end. Third row. Slip the very first stitch, then knit 1, work the corner, yarn over, knit 2, yarn over, and then work 1 repeat. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. And then again work the second corner. And now work repeats to your following corner. So again knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. And just continue working the repeat. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. After you repeat the pattern 6 times, From the second corner, work the third corner, and then work one repeat, knit 2 yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, and then again work the fourth corner and knit 2. Work your fourth row as your second one. Slip 1 stitch, purl all stitches to end. Row 5. Work corners and knit all stitches between corners. So slip 1 stitch, knit 2, work the corner. After the first corner, knit all stitches to your second corner and work the corner. Then again knit all stitches to your third corner, and so on. Row 6. Work as your second row. So second and all even rows, just purl all stitches to end. Now repeat the pattern starting from the third row. So work your row 7 as your third row, working more repeats between corners. Slip 1 stitch, knit 3. Then work a corner. And now work repeats. Knit 2 yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. And then again work the second corner and continue working repeats to your third corner. After the last corner, knit 4. Row 8, work like your second row. Row 9, slip 1 stitch, knit 4, and then work the corner. After the corner, knit all stitches to your next corner and again work the corner to enter the row. At the end of the row, after last corner, knit 5 stitches and then cast on 20 stitches. To add 20 stitches, turn, insert the right needle into the very last stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. Then place it on your left needle. So that's how you created one stitch, and then just repeat again. Insert the right needle into the very last loop, grab the yarn, pull it through, and so on. After you add additional 20 stitches, knit one round instead of purling one row. So just knit all stitches to end. Again, knit all stitches to end for the first round. Second round. Use your first corner as your new starting point and then work the corner as usual. So this is my first corner. After the corner, work repeats to your following corner. Repeat. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together. So work the repeat to your next corner and then work the corner, and then again work repeats to your following corner, and so on to end of the round. Again, my very first corner is my new starting point of each round. So at the end of the second round, after last repeat, knit 2 yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, begin your third round and knit all stitches to end. Round 4. Work corners and knit all stitches between corners to end of the round. Round 5. Knit all stitches to end. Now repeat the pattern starting from the second round. So work your round 6 like your second round, round 7 like your third round, and so on. Repeat the 4 rounds of the pattern until your front and back parts will be wide enough for your chest circumference. Round 6. Work the corner. And then work repeats to your next corner. In the second part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to join front and back parts together, work sleeves, and finish up the top.